What is cylindrical coordinate system? We know spherical polar coordinate is useful to represent a point in 3 dimensions when the object is in spherical configuration. But if the object is in cylindrical configuration, then we use cylindrical coordinate. Cylindrical coordinate is useful to represent point in 3 dimensions in if the object is in cylindrical configuration. Suppose we consider a point P in cylindrical coordinate system, then its coordinate will be equal to rho phi z. In spherical configuration or spherical coordinate system, we use the coordinate r theta phi. In spherical coordinate system, r is the radial distance, theta is your polar angle, and phi is the azimuthal angle. That means azimuthal angle means angle in this xy plane. Since we are using r as the polar distance in spherical coordinate system, in cylindrical coordinate system we use another letter, that is rho. If you use r also, the coordinate in cylindrical coordinate system will be equal to r phi z, but here I have used the symbol rho instead of r. So here rho is this is your rho, this is the radial distance which is in the xy plane. This is your x axis, y axis and z axis, and this is the origin, and this is your azimuthal angle or the horizontal angle, and rho is your radial distance in the xy plane. And here this height is equal to z. This height is equal to z, which is the height from the plane, that means xy plane, to this point P. Okay. So in cylindrical coordinate system, you have three coordinates rho, phi and z. Then how you convert a point from cylindrical coordinate to Cartesian coordinate? In this xy plane, suppose you draw a perpendicular here. If you draw a perpendicular here, you draw a perpendicular like this. Okay. Then what will be this distance? This distance suppose is equal to x, and x will be equal to rho cos phi. And what will be this value? This value which is parallel to the y axis, or y coordinate will be equal to rho sin phi. So y coordinate will be equal to rho sin phi and x coordinate will be equal to rho cos phi, but the z coordinate will remain same. So if you convert a point from cylindrical coordinate to Cartesian coordinate, then the relation will be x equal to rho cos phi, y will be equal to rho sin phi, and z will be equal to z. In the next video, we will discuss what is the unit vector in cylindrical coordinate. Thank you.